In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Fanduel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Fanduel like you normally would. Then please go to the bottom menu and press over here where it says Accounts. Then you'll notice that we're going to have this button that says Withdraw, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. Once you're done with that, you'll have two different options. So we can withdraw right over here using any payment method, or we could also refund deposits to the original payment method. That is 100% up to you. So let's just go ahead and work with withdraw just like this. All right. Now, there are multiple different ways that you're able to do it. So you could do it online by using online bank, or you could also use something like PayPal if your account is eligible. But what you could also do is you could also get cash at a counter or even a check as well. So this is certainly up to you. For this video, let's go ahead and go with online banking, since that is something you're able to do from here. And basically what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and enter in the amount of money that you would like to withdraw. Now, the important thing to note is that the first and last name of your Fanduel account needs to match your banking information. So you can't use someone else's bank. It needs to be yours. It needs to match up exactly with your name in order for this to actually work. You want to go ahead and select on your bank. We have all the big ones over here: Discover, Hamilton, we got M&T, City, etc. So you just want to go ahead and select on it, and it is going to prompt you to sign in using your bank account credentials. And then you need to go ahead and give Fanduel permission in order to actually link the two together, so that whenever you withdraw money from Fanduel, it is going to head over to your bank account. So that's how you're able to go ahead and do it. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.